so that video finished before I could finish recording. So, here we've got my travel altar, lighter, some powders, oils, shit ton of tea lights. All my pictures. Shelves. Trans flag. Map. And succulents and skulls. The raccoon skull and the bird skull I found myself, but the other skull, which I can't remember what animal it's from, I bought on the internet. And